So I'm here with Jeff Fruit with Digital BGA. We're here at his event, his mastermind. We just got done doing a presentation on YouTube ads, and Jeff is in our program, has been for a few months. And Jeff, if you could just maybe talk about where you were at before you joined the program, kind of what you were doing and what you were focusing on, and maybe what you've been able to implement since you've been in our program.
Sure. So I've never done a YouTube ad. I've only done YouTube videos, like webinar style, teaching style videos, but I've never done it for the sake of generating leads. So joined the course, recorded the video, the scripting that you had there, literally with my cell phone right here, doing the same exact thing that you did. Did the whole setup that was on your in your course, just the ad setup, the target and everything, and start generating leads, and optimized it for over like 2 or 3 weeks until I got it down to a point where it was scalable and we were seeing the conversions to sale. We did a little bit things different. We didn't do quizzes. We did things to quote pages, which they're not as a high quality lead as you have, but it works for us in the life insurance niche that we're doing. So yeah, it's converting well. We're scaling it up. I mean, it's insanely scalable. And
how many leads are you guys generating right now, like on a weekly or monthly, or how many leads are you guys generating?
So right now we're doing about 30 to 40 leads a day.
Wow.
Yeah.
30 to 40 leads a day, and can you talk about what the conversion on that has been from a sales standpoint?
Yeah, so we're at about a 7 to 8% conversion to sale. So for us, the acquisition cost and the conversion, it makes a ton of sense. Just because we're in life insurance, we get our money, advanced, and it's an easy 3 to 4 to 1 ROI.
Wow.
For that. And so right now we're, it's a niche life insurance. So we're putting together a program centered around it, and we're hoping to do, hopefully 10x that. We'll see what the scalability of it is, but we're going to test it to its limits.
What would you tell somebody who is maybe on the fence about considering joining our program? What would be the one thing that you would tell them?
The one thing I would say is, number one, do it. Number two is implement fast. I mean, right when you get in the course, spend a few hours to go through it. It's easily digestible. Record your first ad within the first few days and get it out there. I mean, that was the main thing for us. And we're still working up the same ad. I recorded it once.
Right.
Yeah, and haven't tweaked it at all. And it's the same thing, so yeah.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, of course. Cool.